I made this video back in the day when I was working on Tasty Junior videos, and this is by far one of my favorite recipes that I've ever made. There is nothing I hate more than standing over a hot stove on a summer day flipping darn pancakes. It's Sunday morning, I'm tired, the last thing I want to do is just be sweating and flipping. Nope. It's no different from making regular pancakes. You can use your own favorite recipe if you want, but probably double it. And you're just gonna pour the batter over a piece of parchment paper in a sheet pan. As an aunt, I was trying to figure out ways to make cooking a fun experience for me and also an experience that saves me time and effort while getting nearly the same result. With what I was going through in my personal life, I was able to transition that into my work. You can customize your pancakes no matter what your preference is. And really go anywhere with these. You can jazz them up and put peaches or blueberries, strawberries, bananas, chocolate, whatever tickles your fancy. And you stick it in the oven for 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and they come out perfectly cooked and browned and golden. You can cut them into different shapes. You can get more artistic. It's delicious, it's easy, it saves me so much time, and it's something that I'm gonna continue to use for the rest of my life. Another free time-saving tip for you. If by any chance you do end up having leftovers, which doesn't happen in my house very often, once they're cooled, you can put them into a resealable bag and freeze them for up to a month and heat them up and serve them again for breakfast. Why not? Talk about a time saver. You could even throw another pan into the oven that has your bacon on it and you're good to go. You got breakfast in one oven. These pancakes are a hit in my household to this day, and I will never make pancakes on a griddle again, ever. My favorite combination has got to be the banana and chocolate chip one, and I sometimes add like little bacon sprinkles in there with the maple syrup and butter. Hold on, hold please. I need to go eat this. Ooh, I'm hungry.